Hi, Amy. How are you doing?
Hey Mark, I'm doing fine. You said you wanted to discuss the reduced shelf life of historical universal analytics data?
Yes, Amy. Since you are a subject matter expert for Google Analytics, I thought you could help me learn more about exporting the UA data before the deadline of July 1st, 2024.
Oh, sure, I can help you with that. I consulted Google certified experts from Grazitti Interactive who helped me export a decade-long insightful data.
Great. So, are they familiar with the data export process because some of it might also be scattered across multiple reports?
Yes, their Google experts knew how to keep the data accurate, maintain its integrity, and export it all safely.
Well, then this can be a game changer.
Absolutely. They enabled a flawless extraction of historical data from UA properties.
That's fab. Where was it stored then?
They strategically stored it in different destinations, such as BigQuery, Google Sheets, Excel, JSON, and more.
Great. That would have been a treasure trove for the future.
Yes, and insightful too. Moreover, along with historical data export, they helped me learn data storage solutions, data retention practices, and data visualization techniques.
Amazing. That is a comprehensive approach to preserve and utilize historical insights. How can I approach them?
It's simple. You can write to them at info@grazitti.com, and their Google Analytics experts will get back to you.